mung beans vermicelli pasta or split mung beans vermicelli pasta. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the beans recipes and one of the most unique of the breakfast recipes and one of the most delicious of the dinner recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the pasta recipes and one of the most unique of the vermicelli recipes and one of the most delicious of the moong dal recipes and one of the most unique of the moong recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the evening snacks recipes. We're going to make split mung beans vermicelli pasta. The ingredients are around 100 grams of roasted vermicelli, the next ingredient is 100 grams of split mung beans or moong dal, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 1 onion cut into pieces, 2 sprays of curry leaves, 1 green chili, 25 grams of garlic, 1 spoon of honey seeds, 25 grams of ginger. Pan and pour in 5 minutes of oil. Put in the onion pieces. Now put in the fennel seed, sauteing it. Keep on sauteing. Now put in the ginger, and ginger. Salt. Salt thoroughly. Keep on sauteing. Now put in 2 to 3 curry leaves. Put in the green chili. Saute thoroughly. Now put in the tomato pieces. Salt, sauce tomato pieces. Thoroughly with the rest of the mixture. Put in salt paste, mix, thoroughly saute and mix. Put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Saute and mix thoroughly. Now put in the split onion. thoroughly saute mix. Even saute. Pouring water, mix, and let this mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 15 minutes. Now put in the vermicelli pasta into the mixture, mix, and let the mixture cook for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, put in the curry leaves, mix. Now the split mung beans vermicelli pasta is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final split mung beans vermicelli pasta. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the breakfast recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the mung beans recipes and one of the most delicious of the moong dal recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the pasta recipes and one of the most delicious of the evening snacks recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.